Welcome to the Ventura, the newest model from Mint Tiny Homes. This 10 by 40 foot tiny home is one of our park models. At 400 square feet, this tiny home makes great use of its space to comfortably sleep up to 6 people. This model features a French door off the living room, a beautiful chef's kitchen with a peninsula for seating, and tons of counter space for all your kitchen prep needs. What sets this model apart is its great use of space. A generous width of 10 feet allows room for a comfy couch, a coffee table, and still plenty of room to move around. The abundance of windows allows for a flood of natural light, and spotlights in the ceiling ensure well-lit evenings. Now, let's talk about the heart of this tiny home, the kitchen. It's not just any kitchen, it's the ultimate chef's kitchen. With a U-shaped counter made of stunning butcherblock veneer and a peninsula for seating, you get the perfect balance of prep space and dining. Lower and overhead cabinets and pull-out drawers ensure this kitchen blends functionality with style. This beautiful ceramic apron sink, well lit by the natural light coming through this window, make this kitchen any chef's dream. Next, let's check out the bathroom. Thanks to the width of this tiny home, there's plenty of space in here too. A porcelain sink, storage space, and a fiberglass shower, everything you need for a comfortable experience. This home features 2 incredibly spacious lofts, and the whole unit can sleep up to 6 comfortably. With a large primary bedroom and 2 spacious lofts, there's room for the whole family and guests. Both lofts are big enough to fit a king, but a queen provides that extra space on either side for a cozy and comfortable sleep. Plenty of windows in each loft provide a bright and airy atmosphere, and there's extra storage for clothes, books, and more. Finally, let's explore the primary bedroom. Despite its size, it's cozy and functional. A queen-size bed fits comfortably with plenty of space to move around. There's also plenty of windows allowing for excellent lighting and a bright atmosphere. This model also features extra storage both in the closet and up above, so you can fit everything in this room. Well, that wraps up our tour of this amazing new model, the Ventura. If you're interested in more details or looking to build or buy, check the description below for all the necessary information. Let us know in the comments what you loved about this new model, and of course, subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tour. We'll see you in the next one.